Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nina's Hidden Apron. Tom's outside fixing us some burgers on the grill. So I thought I would make something no cook, no bake. Come on. It's a quick and easy side. Avocado spread. That's what we're gonna make. Avocados are hit and miss here right now. Either you get a good one or you don't. I actually just cut one open and it was hard and rubbery inside. That is a big no, we're not gonna eat it. But this one, much better, much better. And again, if you don't have one of these, you should get it. It's an awesome little tool. Unless you've been eating avocados for a long time and you're just really quick at whipping all that stuff out of there, which I'm not. So now I'm just going to slice this up. I could use that side if I want to, but I'm also going to run it this way. So then we're just going to squeeze it out. And same thing for the other side. I'll show you this real quick. Just take it like that. Pop it down in there. And just like that. You have it. I'm making a mess, aren't I? Alright, let me scoop this rest of this out of here though. Certainly not going to waste it after having to dispose of one already. My ingredients for my avocado spread are really simple. I've got a whole avocado and I'm going to go ahead and give it a little bit of a mash. Avocado spread, avocado mash. It is not guacamole. It's very close, but it is not guacamole. But let me go ahead and give it just that little bit of a mash. And now, next on our list is just a pinch of salt that we're going to put in it. Not too much, just a little bit. Some delicious, right from town honey. I'm going to put a big old teaspoon of it in there. And if that's not enough, we'll add a little bit more. Okay. Half of a lime. I'm just going to squeeze it. Oh, I'm such a fan of lime. Go. Now we're just going to keep on, go back and continue to mash this. Let me clean up my mess here. I got a little bit of lime juice. Squirt it out and about. You can do it smooth, or you can leave a little bit of the little chunks of the avocado if you want to. I mean, it's so fast and so easy. You don't have to cook it. No heating up this kitchen when it's 90 plus degrees outside. Or your kitchen if you want to make it. Let's grab a couple of pita chips, because that is what we're going to eat it with, and give it a taste. Look at that. The salty from the pita chips with the lime and the avocado and the honey to balance it out. Oh boy. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. Click the subscription button and then the notification bell and click all so you'll know every time we put yummy content on this channel. Give this a try. I'm pretty sure if you like avocado and lime, you're gonna like this. Y'all take care. See you next time. Bye.